Miss, let me share my screen first. Miss, can you see my screen?
Yes.
For just now, the PDN network, if we interchange these two, is it okay?
Yes, okay.
Because the stick diagram will be different.
For this one, the stick diagram,
This part interchange with this part.
You mean the top one is the parallel configurations, and then in series with the transistor with input at the bottom.
Yeah.
Is correct. If they are interchanged, the ULI path will not change much. It will also be the same one.
But the ULI path I get is like this, or B. This is bar. I'm missing a bar. B bar C A.
B C bar A, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This one is. Let me take a look. I need to things back. This is the ULI path from B to C and A. Okay. Okay, so you use this order of the polyline with B, C bar, and A. So in pull-up network, how is your configuration?
My answer.
You need to make sure that
like this, oh.
Okay, so the up one, this one, the transistor you point out is the input is C bar or B?
This is B, and then this is C bar. This is A.
Okay, so yeah. Just now you mentioned again. I didn't get. The transistor is this one is what?
B.
Mm-hmm.
C bar, and then this is A. Because
Okay.
the ULI path I go it like this.
Yes. Okay. So that is okay also.
Oh, so for the put down network I go it like this.
Yeah, correct. Can also this one because
I just want to double confirm this is interchangeable because the stick diagram will be totally different.
Yes. This is also correct. Even though the configurations is different than mine, this is correct because the ULI path that you get is actually only one directions, and then they are across the same sequence of the transistor in both pull out and pull down network.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Okay.